ដោយសារតែឯងយកដូចជាមរូទើបសាស្កេរត់ចេញពីភូមិសាស្កេ
冰淇淋，冰淇淋，冰淇淋。
All right. Starting now, Team Kakashi will head for Tenchi Bridge.
Okay.
As soon as you're ready, we'll assemble at the Hidden Leaf's main gate.
You got it.
Bàn Yamatoចូលតើយើងតមីសិនយើងទៀត We run from what is the new team member For now I better get ready តោះ ready តាមផ្លូវយ៉ាងយើងទៅជួបសាស្កេតអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាបើសិនជារៀង boring ដល់ពេលខ្ញុំរត់ក្នុងភូមិអីអាច skip បានញ៉ើព្រោះអីខ្ញុំចង់ឲ្យមាន detail នៅក្នុង story របស់វាហ្មងថាខ្ញុំត្រូវរត់ពេលនេះខ្ញុំមកចង់កាត់អាកន្លែង detail យើងរត់ហ្នឹងតែខ្ញុំកាត់ដល់ពេលណាដែលខ្ញុំរត់ប្រកាច់ប្រកិនរៀង boring time ខ្ញុំកាត់ចេញដែរតែបើសិនជាមើលទៅវា smooth វាធម្មតាខ្ញុំអត់កាត់ទេខ្ញុំទុកឲ្យវាមាន detail ក្នុងរឿងហ្នឹងហ្មងថាកុំឲ្យចាប់ story ពេកអញ្ចឹងណាអូខេតោះយើងតទៀត
Sai, you know, I thought he reminded me of somebody. Well, there's sort of a resemblance to Sasuke, I guess.
If you keep on staring at me, I will hit you. If you keep on staring at me, I will hit you.
Where do you get off saying things like that?
Nothing personal against you. I was only trying out a certain personality type. That's all.
We don't need someone like you on this team. You really rubbed me the wrong way.
Okay, that's enough.
Rồi, xuống thằng điên. Xong sai cái có một mục tiêu sát sâu đâu mà nói là bị hit you. Chưa rồi.
No, he's not one of us. Remember Team Kakashi? It's Sasuke Uchiha. Not part of Team Kakashi. Not now, not ever.
Không.
I'm glad that that's how you feel.
Chạm vào đầu ấy chứ.
Sasuke is a traitor. He betrayed the Leaf and joined Orochimaru. I'm not
Okay.
a traitorous cockroach. I can't fill in for someone like that.
Okay, Sai, okay. You spill the beam.
I've had it with you, Sai.
Đạm ơi.
You two, that's enough. No more quarreling.
Tai một lỡ lên.
But he...
Honestly, if that's how you're gonna act, this mission is doomed from the start. It's true this team was thrown together, and we don't know each other as well as we like. This mission absolutely must succeed. All four of us need to share the same goal. Is that clear?
Clear.
Of course.
All right. Now let's set out for Tenchi Bridge.
Tenchi
Try to
Bridge.
get along, will you?
Okay. តោះខ្ញុំនឹងខំប្រឹង get along មួយសាយ Shall we go តើតា Don't forget to work as a team. Okay. មកខាងនេះវិញ I want to go to the first new team member. You're right. អូនិយាយច្រើនមែន Sabotage me please. តោះយើងតទៀត ជីកស្មៅ អូពងជីកតោះ Sorry for the waiting. Let's go. Yeah. ដល់ពាក់កណ្ដាលផ្លូវ
You got a minute, everyone?
Yeah.
Before we reach our destination, there's one thing I'd like to get out of the way.
Get out of the way?
Đúng.
Well, as I said before, this team was thrown together a bit slapdash, and we don't know each other that well. I'd like to have a sparring match here, so we can see what we're all made of.
Okay.
Each of us will take a buddy and fight a mock battle together.
Mock battle.
Naruto and Sai will be on one team. Sakura and I will be on the other.
You expect me to work with him?
I can't wait.
I'll use this match to get an idea of your fighting styles. The success of the mission depends on how well you work together. So I want all three of you to take this seriously.
Yes, sir.
Yes sir. Bạn chặt sai.
Let's get started.
Okay, let's go. Okay.
Go.
This is gonna hurt.
Mò xì chay là xanh đắng nữa. Lụa tới. Yamato stand fight. Demon Run Shuriken. Tôi cho thằng giận. Đi ra. vô anh thọt mắng ấy anh thọt mắng ấy vô nhưng mà ngày về rồi con bùa chung hồi trong về chân đấy chọc bàn rồi bùa này tư mùi đi làm chòm rồi lụa được trận này theo sao tình cảnh mùi để sao tình cảnh này theo là tình cảnh let's go.
How was that?
Close, but not quite.
Yeah.
Dang it!
Trông trình bật không sót.
Let me see. That match gave me a very clear picture of both your strengths.
Do you even know what the word comrade means?
As a matter of fact, I do.
You jerk! Why didn't you help me out more back there? If you had just backed me up.
If I had backed you up, we'd have come out on top? I don't know about that. It's impractical to fight while covering for someone who's lost his cool. Helping someone like that would only serve to place me in danger as well.
Ây da, cái pick luôn này.
Seriously, don't go blaming others for your own shortcomings. This loss was entirely a result of your own actions.
Thế là ông hô từng màn lừa nà tôi vậy. Trông gì
I'll never accept you as a comrade.
I wonder what Sasuke would have done. Would he have covered for you? I mean, after all, you consider him a comrade, right? Though I don't know how you can call someone who betrayed his own village a comrade.
Okay. Sasuke did betray.
If it means saving a comrade, I'll do whatever it takes. Even if that means teaming up with you.
Naruto.
All right.
Tài làng vô một mình hồ bạn ấy sao?
Yes, sir.
Dạ bạn mày ạ. Bây giờ play mày mẹ đấy. I am you manage to control Naruto Kakashi you have my space. Rồi. Giờ mà tô đi. Một play ní đụng cái rồi từ đòn. Dừng đô play. Tenchi break is up ahead. Dạ mẹ play mày ạ. Mình là bỏ đứa coi sáng đấy bạn. Ê prep chẳng đây. Bạc tờ dương.
So we're almost at Tenchi Bridge.
No Tenchi Bridge.
Right. Let's take a break here.
Break? We don't break. Ôi giờ mình cười ạ.
Now, I'd like you all to tell us a little about yourselves.
Đặc biệt đừng gặp ha.
Dreams, things like that.
My name is Sasuke Uchiha. There are plenty of things I hate, but I don't see that it matters. Considering there's almost nothing I like. It seems pointless to talk about dreams. That's just a word. But what I do have is determination.
Ở trong ban tụi em trong
I plan to restore my clan.
plan cho bó.
And there's someone I have sworn to kill.
Ok. So dark, so deep.
Curse you. You
All weak.
Sasuke.
សម្រាប់បងប្អូនណាដែលអត់ដឹងពីណាតូតែដឹងហើយក៏នេះខ្ញុំក៏ចង់ប្រាប់ថា bear with me តិចទៅពីព្រោះអីរឿងណាតូយើងដឹងស្រាប់ហើយគឺ a lot of flashback អញ្ចឹងគឺ flashback ខ្លាំងចឹងមែនថាច្រើនឡើងមែនទែនតែអាហ្នឹងគឺតែគាត់ជាមួយនឹង story timeline របស់គេទាំងអស់អញ្ចឹងយើងព្រមណាអញ្ចឹងតើបងប្អូននេះតា
There's something I'm curious about.
What's that?
Tell me, why does he feel so strongly about Sasuke?
តែតន់ដឹង
It's because Sasuke's more than a teammate to Naruto. He's like a brother. You have somebody who's special to you, don't you? If you do, you should be able to understand his feelings a little.
I don't. Not at all.
Oh.
Huh?
I had someone I could call
Bonsai.
I didn't feel a thing. Not only that, when my brother died, I didn't know what kind of expression I was supposed to be making.
You need to learn inside.
But that's almost like...
I told you, I don't have any feelings at all.
Sai.
Captain Yamato, what are we waiting for?
Nothing, I suppose.
All right, shall we go?
Sai,
What is it?
Thằng gặp đàm rồi.
every time you've said something bad about Sasuke, I want to punch you. The only reason I didn't knock you into tomorrow is because of what Naruto said. That in order to rescue Sasuke, he'd even team up with you. For once, he's been more forgiving than I am. If you can help us get Sasuke back, I can't afford to hurt you.
Chạm đó.
Sakura, you and Naruto, how do I say this? You're being considerate of his feelings. Am I right? I really don't understand how such feelings come about.
What are you doing? Come on, Sakura, let's get moving!
Right.
Rồi, let's go យើងតទៀត អូ Tenchi Bridge អូ spin low នៅទឹកធ្លាក់ Tenchi Bridge ដូច spin នេះដូច spin 7 មករាតោះពុកនេះគេឲ្យធ្វើអីនោះអូ Pray hot អូគេយើង pray ទៀត you feel lucky អីឡយ feel lucky ធ្វើបានមែនអូអានេះបានគេហៅ Tenchi Bridge មែនមិនចឹងមិនមែន Tenchi Bridge ផងណាចាញ់បោកអូ Tenchi Bridge អូ spin low ទឹកធ្លាក់ spin កោះពេជ្រទេ
So, this is Tenchi Bridge.
Bridge
All right.
Diamond Bridge
You're all ready. Shall we begin the operation?
okay
Yup.
Good. And Naruto, you and the others keep out of sight. First, I'll transform into Sasori and try to draw the information out of our spy.
okay
I'll signal you if things turn ugly. When I do, I want all of you to jump in and back me up.
Yes, sir.
yes sir I got it here we go to the story time
Any minute now.
It's been a long time, Lord Sasori.
yo hai lord mau
This is
About 5 years, right?
haha
Yakshi.
That-
He's an Akatsuki spy.
how to yakushi
you followed?
It's just you and me. And I don't have much time, so please, keep it brief.
okay
I'll keep this short. I want information about Sasuke, as well as the location of your boss's hideout.
We keep moving to a different one every week to avoid being discovered by the enemy.
cái gang luôn
Right
ching
now,
ao
Orochimaru's holed up north of here. Sasuke Uchiha is there as well.
I see.
Now, I trust you brought the item you promised me. Let's do the handoff. I've spent too much time here as it is. If I were to be discovered speaking with you like this, Orochimaru would certainly kill me.
I'm aware.
mời item again
Can't stall any longer. I have to take him right now.
ê
Your conversation sounds intriguing. I hope neither of you would mind if I joined in the fun.
chùng ôi chim luôn mà thưa kìa
Orochimaru.
thì chứ
I remember that garb. It sure brings back memories, Sasori.
So, you followed Kabuto, did you?
Oh, I just wanted to thank you in person. After all, you're the one who sent this kid to me, and he's come in very handy.
Not good. I can't afford any carelessness.
I'll draw Lord Orochimaru away. Please cover me, Lord Sasori.
Should I get some distance while Kabuto draws Orochimaru?
cái cháu tôi mà join khăn Sasori nè ê đừng mai quay là ha là ha mặt hẹp phu hả
He was obviously playing me from the start.
you know it's snake he is a
What do you
snake
mean?
fake to fake
You're supposed to be an Akatsuki spy.
Did you think I'd be his spy forever?
Or did Orochimaru use his powers to turn you?
Oh no, you got it wrong. The fact of the matter is, I empathize with Lord Orochimaru's ideals. I'm with him of my own free will.
ដឹងកាវតូដៃជើងរបស់អូរ៉ូជីម៉ារូ
For now, why don't you signal to the 3 baby rats behind you to come on out?
3 baby rat
So he must have known all along.
មកចេញមក
Well, it's you again.
I know that face all too well. It looks like the Nine-Tails tagged along.
ហ្នឹងទៅ
Sasuke,
right ចូលយ
It's not as simple as giving him back, really. You're way off here. Sasuke came to us of his own accord. Why can't you just accept the truth?
why you?
ដាក់
If you want to know about Sasuke, you will have to force it from me. If you can, that is.
Get back here!
ហើយយើ
Naruto!
I can't let you go any further.
ហើយយើ
Kabuto, you...
Lord Orochimaru wants to play with Naruto. If you get in his way, he'll destroy you. No, that's not quite right. To be accurate, there's no room for us to get into their fight.
តោះយើងណាតូទៅមួយអូរ៉ូជីម៉ារូហើយចង់សាការ៉ានៅមួយកម្មមួយគេកាបតូមកណាមកណាយើងវាយបាយបោះមែនណា
You've come.
ជួយខាងតោ
My. Do you hate me so?
Orochimaru!
យើង
What's wrong with you?
ដោយសារតែឯងអូរ៉ូជីម៉ារូទើបសាស្កេទៅជិះពីភូមិ Sasuke!
Magic.
បួកចាំការវើពីក្មេងវាហ្នឹងញាក់សាច់
This chakra. This should be interesting.
You know what chakra is that តោះយើងចូល Yeah I'm ready but fight or not immune but still effect ស្អីតោះចា
I'll play with you for a bit.
What the heck
Sasuke,
ចុំយ៉ា
him back!
អូចេញផ្នែកប៉កតែតោះដូប
Who's better?
អីយ៉ាយើងទៀតចូលអត់ចូលយកចូលដែរអូបែកបែបមេតាអូរ៉ូជីម៉ារូយកទៅអូខេមួយសិនទុយអេមែនយកទៅធ្វើបបំហ្នឹងគឺយើងបានមកពីសាកូរ៉ាបួកខ្លាច់យ៉ាងចូលមេ A B X 1
Beat you!
I'm through playing.
ចាអូខេ
How's this?
ចុចខាងលើ B វាយ B មកដៃផងអលីមកដៃផងអលីមិញ
Is that all?
ឡើងផងមុខអនរ៉ូជីមរូមិញ
Sasuke.
អីយ៉ា
Don't talk about him.
ធ្វើមិនសាស្
You
កេ
own him!
អូ
Especially in front of me!
អូយ៉ាត្រេសវមមកទៅហើយវ៉ា exploding chakra អូយ៉ា get a new state you know what that is
I swear, this boy.
អូយម៉ែមកពូវាមកណូយកវិញហ៎បាញ់ vô nữa ui chung mày cho bắn nhầm rồi đã ui không mà rồi chim rồi tôi tham rồi bỏ bạn con mày bỏ em cầm một ê cho wow nào mà bài máu sạc ra cũng chán mày đó chỗ đây ra đây kia ra cho họ muối đang lừa muối bánh ơi fuck thôi thằng mày sao mày với bì ở chọc muối buộc mày cái đạo pha ra ngoài chỉ không bí lát trả mục đây cho tôi nó đặt luôn trùng vậy như ba đi ôi thôi đó.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just
rồi đó đi chẳng mấy hả Orochimaru đã tưตัวđấy nắng đôi chiếc theo beat bomb này tại toàn bên là toàn đang chui ôi da tăng pha tập vài ý á vài một chiếc mà hỏi ra mấy bí ngoài nhà sạch chà cái này chui vậy Orochimaru bò đây ok mà không trôi vậy ăn kẹt tấn tấn ngoài trời ơi nó lần cân đây Secret Factor.
That's right.
Yeah.
You know what to do.
Yeah.
And trust your heart to me.
Yeah. Yeah. Đò phun nữa.
Give him a glimpse of our power.
Our power hả? Này thế rồi. Trong bọc thư si là tốt bóng ấy. Mà chả chôn hả? Mà em mà tôi đi tại mình tên giặt màu nha. This is three tail or four tail. Là tôi nó four tail ở bên nào. Chuyện gì vậy? Bùng 2 cรั้ง Đi chơi.
Seems I've reached my limit, but this is far from over. For I still possess the thing they want most. I have Sasuke.
Ok. Mà Sasuke muốn đối thủ confident mấy hả? Tỏ dương to tiếp. Đồ mong Kabuto. Trời ơi, là tôi sẽ đó đi.
What was that?
This chakra. It can't be.
They seem to have settled things.
Thứ hai.
I must hurry and rejoin Lord Orochimaru.
Kabuto!
Mà quái rồi.
Sakura, leave Kabuto for later. Right now we have to get to Naruto.
What's going on?
Apparently, the worst has happened.
Sai chưa?
Now.
Trông. Thì cái eliminate nào? Đôi chỉ bên nó ở sai thôi, nhung đang là
早上好，中国！现在我有冰淇淋，我很喜欢冰淇淋，但是《速度与激情9》比冰淇淋《速度与激情9》我最喜欢，所以。